Founded in the UK in 2007, Allsea Technologies is one of the world's biggest and most established manufacturers that is exclusively dedicated to the digital signage market. Our aim is simple: to make digital signage more accessible. To do this, our in-house R&D team have developed our very own Queen's award-winning all-in-one solution. But what does that actually mean? Well, not only do we manufacture commercial-grade displays with built-in Android media players, we also develop user-friendly software to be used with our hardware. These all-in-one solutions are easier to sell, install, use, support and maintain, as well as being much more cost-effective. They can also be used with a range of third-party CMS software. From high-brightness window displays and interactive touchscreens to innovative battery-powered displays and enormous LED video walls, we provide a wider range of solutions than any other digital signage manufacturer. These all come with the reassurance of lifetime technical support and a minimum 3 years manufacturer's warranty. But what really sets us apart is the level of support that we offer to our partners. Our team of dedicated professionals are always willing to go the extra mile. Whether you need help getting your message out there from our marketing team, winning projects from our sales team, or resolving technical issues from our technical support team, we're with you every step of the way. So how do we operate? Our products start life in our manufacturing facility in China, which can produce 2,000 digital displays every single day. They go through a second round of quality control checks after arriving at our UK headquarters, which features a 1,600 pallet warehouse, a sales, marketing and technical support office, meeting rooms and a digital signage showroom. With our office in Belgium providing regional EU support and our wide network of overseas partners, we're well positioned to fulfill projects all around the globe. Allsea may have grown a lot since the early days, but we've always held the same core values: unrivaled support, innovation and true commercial grade quality. Now we're ready to help your business succeed, either by working with one of our many integration partners to meet your project requirements, or by becoming your dedicated digital signage partner.